So welcome everyone to the first lecture of Introduction to Machine Learning with Python. Let me write down here. Introduction to Machine Learning with Python. So first of all, let me give you what this machine learning is all about. So suppose you have a data, and this data can be generated from various sources. One possible source of data is images. It can also be generated using audio files. Other possible method is the video files. So video files. It can come from sensors, various sensors such as gyroscope, accelerometer in your mobile. So these are some of the possible ways of generating data, but not limited to only this. There are lots of other possible source for data generation. In fact, we are generating millions of data every second. So the question is, can you generate information from the data? Can you generate information from the data? Information. Can you do that? So the field of extracting knowledge from the data is called machine learning. Let me write down here. Extracting knowledge from the data is called ML or machine learning. So people also call machine learning with different name. So some of other names of machine learning is as follows. The first one is statistical learning. Because this is one of the subfield of statistics. Second one is the predictive analytics, because at the end of the day you have to do analysis and finally you have to predict something. So that's why predictive analytics.